I heard this guy moving around, so let's go let him out and see what he's doing. Hey, bud. Oh. Yeah. Come out. Come on. Come on. Oh, in a big stretch. Let me get this coffee going. And takes me a little lighter. So, if you're camping with dogs, there's a few things that are pretty killer. This Gunner, I think, makes it. If you got water, that shit don't spill nothing. Also, this Callieco, just like a dry bag for the food. I used to use gallon Ziplocs. We'd get a hole in it every once in a while. Shit would go everywhere. Bugs would get in it. This is definitely a hell of a lot easier. Also, I don't know if you guys have battery families. I got DEWALT, this fan. If you're in places that are hot, that thing's a lifesaver. Crack the windows, turn that on. Also, Mutt mitts. If you got bags, these are nice and thick. Use them for hiking too. You put a sandwich in it, eat the sandwich on the trail, and then use the bag to pick up his poop. Yeah, Teegs. One. Started adding a little honey to his food. He's been itching less. I don't know if it was allergies or what. Teegs. Youngies? Youngies? There we go. What else? Oh, this thing. This too. WOLFBOX you got fur, perfect. I think that's it. Oh. So that's it, man. If you get out there with your dogs, show them the good life. They'll appreciate it. They'll treat you good. Right, Teegs? And, as always, enjoy camping.